Hi YouTubers, NurikaFan2 here, and I actually found out that the American government is going to do stricter gun control. And my opinion is that the origin of gun control is actually the infringing of the rights of the people by taking away their guns. People, you gotta wake up, because gun control is communist in nature. The communists have done it in the past. The Nazis have done this in the past, and look what happened. Their countries became dictatorships. Many people were oppressed, tortured, and murdered with the strict gun laws because they had no way to defend themselves from tyranny. People, you gotta wake up and realize that your government wants to oppress and enslave you and kill you. You may think I'm all just conspiracy theorists and all that, but mark my words, they will start rounding people up and they will go home to home, taking away people's guns away. Mark my words, this will happen. It has happened in the past, and it is going to happen again. As the saying goes, those who do not learn from history are doomed to repeat it. People, don't let history's past mistakes happen again. Stand up for your rights. Stand up against this evil tyranny. If you do not stand up and fight for your rights, you will be enslaved and murdered under a communist, fascist, New World Order dictatorship under Barack Obama. Mark my words, this is going to happen. Don't believe me? You may laugh and scoff, but you won't be laughing when it happens. You will not be laughing.